y'all, hey, and welcome back to the channel. This is Cheryl Johnson with HeyGurlTV. If you're into fragrance, lifestyle, and fashion, this is the place to be. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of a new fragrance. It is going to be the Idole Elle Perfume by Lancome. You guys know how much I love the Idole fragrance, and this one is just like, oh my God. I don't want to say it's an intense, because I believe they do have an intense, but this one just goes to the root of the flower and just makes you feel so beautiful and so scentful. I love this scent. If you're interested in finding out a little bit more about this new Idole Nectar, keep watching. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get into this box. And you guys, I have a beautiful essay that works at Macy's at the Glendale Arrowhead Mall. Her name is Miss Vivian. If you're ever in the area, please look her up. She is very patient. She's beautiful. She's loving. I just love Miss Vivian. Miss Vivian, if you're watching, I love you, girl. Okay, she calls me when there's sales, and it's just really a pleasure of working with her, because I can tend to be a little indecisive about fragrance, and I know what I'm looking for, and I just have to put my nose on it. So Miss Vivian, thanks again. Thank you for the good time we had today at the mall, and thank you for keeping my bag and everything for me, because you know, girl, my hands were full today. Okay. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into this Lancome perfume, because I told you guys I was only going to be buying 6 this year. So it's March, so it's time for the second bottle, and I won't be buying another bottle until April. Well, actually May, and then we can just go from there. But yeah, this is the bottle right here. This is the box. Nice packaging. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this, you guys. Wasn't sure. I wanted to start small, but nowadays I'm not really buying the bigger bottles. I'm just kind of going for like the 1 ounce. Well, actually this was a 0.8 flow ounces, and it was like down to like $56 or $54, and then I had like $10 off, so I got it under $50, and I just wanted to try it out and see if I like it, see if I want to love this, because I love Idole so much. And like I said, I'm not really buying bigger bottles of perfumes right now, just kind of staying at the 1 ounce and below, because I have so many, and I really want to fall more in love with what I have before I really venture out and buy more. So let's go ahead and get the spray on, girl. So this one right here, let's see. So I think I sprayed something on the other arm, so let's, okay. I'm already loving it. I'm already loving it. I'm already loving it. This is so poetic. I just feel like this Idole was like made especially for me. Okay. I just always dreamt of just smelling just so beautiful and so ladylike, so dainty and innocent, and just all of the things. And this one just really makes me feel feminine. I feel so feminine. I feel so feminine that I just feel like I can conquer the world and smell good doing it, okay? When you love on yourself and you just feel beautiful and you feel pretty and you smell good, it just really does something for my self-esteem. It just uplifts me. It makes me sit up straighter. It just makes me walk better. I get my little switch on. And I love this. this perfume. I believe that Idole is going to be like my #1. I mean, even above like the big price tag purchases that I bought, like the Baccarat. Like I bought a bottle for $400, and that's just taking a back seat to Idole. I just don't think that the price point is where you need to think. That's where you need to be. You just need to smell different fragrances and choose a fragrance that fits your personality and what you stand for and what you want your message to say to people when you're in their presence. And I learned a very valuable lesson, because I thought starting at the top, you know, hey, you know, I'm all that and I'm gonna be wearing a $400 perfume, you know, but like, had I found this first, I probably would not have spent $400 on a bottle of perfume, y'all. But don't get me wrong, I love my Baccarat, but this Idole, it speaks to me. It just says, you know, I care for you. I want the best for you. I feel like it speaks to me. Take care of yourself. Love on yourself. Love on others. Help others. Listen more. Take your vitamins. Drink your water. This speaks to me because it just says you are statuesque, you are important, you are valuable, you are enough. So that's why I said that this fragrance is poetic, because it actually speaks to me. And I just hope that you can find a fragrance that speaks to you like this Idole speaks to me. Okay, let's get into the scents. Okay, so Idole has grassy rose, it has Turkish rose, and rose. So I love rose. Like the next perfume, my second would have to be the Yves Saint Laurent Paris, and that's just like, oh my God, like falling into a rose garden. I really love rose. I just do. I just think that rose is for me. And it also has caramel in it, so that gives it that really warm, comfortable scent that just says, you know, it just hugs the skin and hugs you and makes you feel warm and cozy. That's the caramel. It has popcorn in it. Don't know if I can tell the difference of what popcorn would smell like, but it does smell like a snack. And then we have vanilla, and I love vanilla. I love vanilla more for like the house, you know, like scenting the house. I love the scent of vanilla in the home. So this one is a home run, you guys. I just love it. If you can put your nose on it, the Idole Nectar. And I had a sample before, and it was very long lasting. So yeah, I just think that this is everything. I really feel that way. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to pick some Shein outfits that I think will go really great with this fragrance. And I've chosen to stick with the color pink. My favorite rose is pink. Really it's white, but since it's spring, I went with the pink rose. Pink roses are my second favorite in the rose family. So I wanted to start off with this really cute, comfortable, and just really simple pink little cami dress. I think if you just want to lounge around the house, maybe run a few errands, throw a little jacket on top of it, it would be a great relaxing outfit, and I think that the Idole will go great with it. The next one is going to be this beautiful form-fitted rose printed cami dress. I guess you would say it's like a maxi dress. Yes, I think this says hello spring. I think it complements the rose perfume, and I think you will look really cute in it. So the next dress is for date night. I think this dress right here, girl, right here is sexy. This is a date night dress. I think you should show a little skin. I think you should be really flirty and sexy, and this one fits the bill. Now for an event dress, if you want to walk in and command attention and be a boss, next dress right here is one to be reckoned with. It says, girl, I am here, I'm cute, but I'm all about my business, okay? All right, so I picked an evening dress too. I think this beautiful sequin pink dress just says, I am a treat and I wanted to be treated like a queen. I think this is a beautiful shade of pink. It's very glitz and glamour, and I really feel that this would just be the sweetest dress to wear on even out on the town, okay? And then I also picked a dress for church. I love this mermaid style of dress. I think it's very conservative, and I think that you would feel very comfortable wearing this dress in church. And what I love about this dress is the detail in the center with that beautiful little belt. The belt just gives it that touch of class, okay? So you guys, with that being said, if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get back with you. And you guys know the drill. Peace and chicken grease. Bye. Y'all, I had fun today. I ain't gonna lie. I had fun today with my grandkids. We had a time. They picked out a lot of toys. And yeah, we actually forgot to get 2 of Royalty's toys, but they had a ball. I love spending time with my grandchildren, and today was a very happy day for me. Thank you, Jesus. All right, you guys. Bye.